Somebody forgot to tell Winter that.
That is true. We're pretty cold out there right now. Many people are getting pretty close to below freezing in the valley. And of course, if you go in the mountains, notice all that snow we saw that fell. This is a picture taken from Cohasset yesterday morning by Dan Hamilton. You can see all the snow really weighing down the limbs on that tree, and then all that snow stacked on the table and chair. You can hardly recognize that's a table and chair just because of how much snow is stacked up on that. And that was, of course, in Cohasset. So, of course, if you want to submit your own photo, just go to actionnewsnow.com. Select the weather tab and then click weather pics, because I would love to share those photos. I'll have more of those photos coming up in just a minute. But of course, we do have two systems right now in the Pacific. One is near Canada and the other is way out in the Central Pacific. These two systems are going to merge tomorrow, and then they're going to slowly move towards Northern California. They're going to impact us mainly near the Bay Area on Monday. As that happens, we're going to have another winter storm coming in from the north, and those systems are going to merge. That's going to mean a very wet setup for us starting Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with widespread showers and snow expected for the beginning of next week. But right now and for the rest of the weekend, we look to be staying dry. We're seeing no rain or no snow on this radar, which is great news, and clear skies as well, which is why we were so cold this morning. A look at that Futurecast shows you we're going to be seeing those clear skies, maybe a few snow showers down by Lake Tahoe later this afternoon, but we'll be staying dry in our area. And then by Friday, we still keep those sunny skies, and we keep them through the weekend as well. But today is the first day of spring. Yes, that's right. Starts today at 9:30 p.m., so it hasn't quite started yet. It's going to start tonight officially. That's when the spring equinox starts, which is when the time of day equals the time of night. But of course, this is also the earliest spring we've ever seen since 1896. That's 124 years since we've seen a spring this early. But let's go ahead and take a look at that spring forecast. We're seeing a high of 64 degrees for today, so we're going to be hitting the 60s. Those temperatures are returning to warmer. By this weekend, we'll be in the 70s, but again, this morning, many of you in the valley could dip below freezing, and in the mountains, you'll be seeing some teens this morning. So make sure to dress warm this morning, but this afternoon, you won't have to dress with very many layers. As for a look at that 7-day forecast in Chico, high of 63 for today. Sunshine sticks around all through the weekend. Increasing clouds on Sunday night, and then boom, there's that winter storm I was talking about. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, widespread showers and snow are expected. And notice the colder temperatures as well. Those get pretty cold next week as well. But as for Redding, high of 63 for today, 67 tomorrow, then back in the 70s for the weekend. And then 70% chance of showers on Monday. The best chance, and the heaviest of which will fall, will be on Tuesday. Julia, back to you.
How can you tell the difference between